Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Metal stamping is the process of placing sheet metal blanks or coils into a mechanical press where a die shapes the metal according to its form and punch design. The metal stamping process includes punching, blanking, embossing, forging, flanging, and coining. Allred Metal Stamping Works Incorporated believes quality begins with service by ensuring their products meet customer specifications and are delivered on time. Allred, over 70 years ago, started as a stamper for the furniture industry and has since diversified into other markets, offering high-quality custom metal stamping. Allred has an average workforce experience of 29 years, which has enabled the company to be innovators for their customers on a wide variety of difficult projects. Allred offers a full line of services, which includes additional operations performed to complete your parts or assemblies, such as in-house progressive die building, deburring, riveting, tapping, welding, shearing, and laser cutting. They also offer plating, e-coating, powder coating, and various colors in a water-based flow coating system. Certified in ISO 9001:2015, Allred's quality system ensures that all internal processes and supplier-approved products are controlled according to their rigorous standards. Allred has produced high-volume precision stampings that can be found almost anywhere in appliances, tractors, ATVs, golf carts, kitchen and dental furniture, bed frames, light fixtures, electrical components, power tools, shelving racks, ductwork, automotive parts, construction components, recliner mechanisms, and many other products. Indeed, a number of their parts have made it into the White House. Visit them at allredmetal.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.